Are you struggling to keep up with the rapid changes in technologies, hardware failure or aging, cyber attack, administration, disaster recovery, and other unforeseen circumstances that can cause losses to your business? Hi, I'm 𝐤𝐜𝐿, the Assistant Chief Strategic Solution Officer of Titanfour, leading the development of the strategic frameworks for the organization. This includes formalizing and leading the planning process, focusing on the long-term trends and outlook, and competitive intelligence. Over the year, about 1.5 decade journey with Titanfour on JD system and technology infrastructure support exposed us on many local and international projects across Asia, including Hong Kong, China, Macau, Singapore, and etc. Together with us is an amazing team that certified on various areas such as Oracle JD CNC, server and database administrations, including autonomous and cloud architect. Technology evolving in a fast pace nowadays, and in Titanfour, we never stop to upgrade our knowledge on technology to serve our customer better. With technology, we can help our customer to overcome their pain area and perform digital transformation on their business. Cloud already been in the market for quite some time, and we believe cloud technology already come to a mature state. We can see that in Malaysia, they are starting to build momentum on cloud post-pandemic. This helps a lot on mobility and the readiness of the future IoT integrations. There are a lot of different opinions on this topic. In my opinions, Oracle are committed to provide continuous innovation delivery for applications version 9.2 up to year 2031. I see a lot of major enhancements, especially on the JD limitation and the readiness toward digital transformations. We are committed to provide one-stop services to help customer transitions on traditional on-premises software to cloud environment in more efficient and accelerate growth. Our services includes combination of CNC, server, cloud, and database administration that span industries including financial services, healthcare, manufacturing, and etc. Post-pandemic, we foresee that organizations, regardless large, small, or medium size, started to embrace and adapt on cloud technologies that enable more collaboration between humans and devices in real time. Adopting on cloud also gives way on emerging technologies such as Internet of Things and edge computing. Incorporating automation towards cloud technologies also enable system admin to work more efficiently and focus on more crucial part of data protection and privacy for the company. With all the certifications we have achieved, we are proud that we are prepared ourselves with the skill to run cloud technology virtually anywhere and ready ourselves to help customers in their journey towards cloud adoptions with the volatile future. Cloud technology may be huge, but do not be afraid. We are here to help you. Be it starting small or big, the secret of your business success and future sustainability is to get started on cloud adoptions. Schedule an appointment with us by dropping us your inquiry through the link we share on the descriptions. And finally, I would like to say, let our expertise to hold the weight. And together we embrace the future of IT today. Please like our video and channel for future updates. Thank you.